Hey guys, welcome to QT Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Greninja. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start off by zooming in on the head. First, let's draw a wide V shape, like this. Then at the ends, let's draw the eyes with a large U shape up and back down. And the same thing on the other side. And next, let's close off the bottom by drawing a curve across. Next, inside each eye, let's draw a curve towards the middle. And then another curve inside this one. Next, let's hop on the outside next to the eyes here, and let's draw a small curve up. And on the other side. Now for the end, let's angle it up and out. And now from the side of the eye, let's draw another angle up and out like this, but making this one a bit shorter. Now let's connect them at the top with an angled line. Next, let's hop into the center and let's draw a diamond shape coming up like this. Now from the top side of the eyes, let's draw a curve coming in, and then another one meeting it to form a point. And the same on the right eye. Next, let's draw the top of the head. Let's start in the center here and draw a curve down on the left, and the same thing on the right. And then let's move up to the top, and we're going to draw two angled lines above it here. Now let's hop back down, and let's continue that headline on the other side by curving it down and in. And then let's connect them at the bottom with a curve. Next, inside this section, let's draw one more curve on the left side. Next, let's draw the end of the tongue coming up on the left. Let's start on the top left, and let's draw a long curve out and then curve it back in at the end. And now one curve underneath to close it off. And lastly, for the head, let's add two nostrils inside with two small lines here at the bottom of the diamond. And that's it for the head. Next, let's move down and draw the body. Let's start by drawing the arms. From the side of the head, let's draw two curves outwards on both sides. Now next to the top line, let's draw an angled oval, angling it downwards. Then another angled line down from the oval. And then underneath, a slightly curved line like this. Now let's add the hands at the end. Let's start by drawing angled lines out from both sides. Then in the center, let's draw 2 angled lines down. And then from the tops, let's angle it out on both sides. And the same on the other hand. When you're done, you should end up with 3 fingers like this. Now at the end of each finger, let's draw a pointed oval-shaped curve like this. And then let's add the finger webbing by drawing a curve in between each finger. Next, let's hop back inside under the head and let's draw 2 curves down for the sides of the body. And let's leave a small gap in between. Now in that gap, let's draw a diamond shape. Next, inside the torso, along the left side, let's draw 2 curves down. And the same on the right. And lastly, let's add 1 curve across the middle, like this. And that's it for the torso. Next, let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start next to the body and let's draw a curve down on both sides. And then from the center, under the diamond, let's draw another set of curves. And then one last curve to connect them at the ends. Now on the top side of each leg, let's draw 2 curves coming in, and let's leave a gap in between. And then close off the gap with a V-shaped point. And lastly, inside each leg, let's draw a circle in the bottom here. Now let's move down and draw the feet. Underneath each leg, let's draw a curve down. Then for the inside, let's draw a curve down, but add a point up at the end. Now from each side, let's draw angled lines down and out on both feet. Then a V shape inside. And then close off each toe with a circular curve. And lastly, let's add the webbing by drawing a curve in between the toes. And that's it for Greninja. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!